Oh!
This how we starting?
That was violent.
That was violent.
Oh. Get up! Get up! Oh, get a pass for like, oh.
Wait, what? Oh! Do they normally pass in Raleigh? Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Wow. That was a lot of air, bro. In a vehicle. Like in a car, and it wasn't a plane.
Seeing what it looked like being in the car is crazy.
Even scarier, yeah. Oh, he hit the tree!
Shit.
Ooh!
Dude. Yeah, that's done. I'm good. I'm good.
That's sick.
I'm done.
Mm.
I'm so scared of those trees, man. Oh,
Me too, bro. Me too. Every time I think about them skinny roads, that's all I keep looking at is the trees.
Yeah.
Them boys are so strapped in though, bro. Like, in those seats that they got, like.
I know, but bro, trees can go through windshield.
That's the thing, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
man.
True. That's the only thing that I'm scared of.
If there hadn't been a ditch next to the road that I crashed on, and if it was just trees, I probably might not be here.
Man.
Like just because of how much more abruptly I would have come to a stop.
Mm-hmm.
Like trees are just not forgiving
at all. At all. Clean. Look at all them people. Oh, and he spun.
Oh,
he's. Bro, do you see? Wait, do you see how dirty the front of his car was? All the people driving past him.
Yeah.
Kicking up dirt on him. That's crazy.
Disrespectful.
Disrespectful.
I would have got out and wrote help on my windshield.
That's how quickly the car shifted.
Is that actually on the road or is that an animation?
That's on the road. Oh, that's a shit ton of people, bro.
For real. At least they're high up. What the hell? Look at this.
That looked like a whole mall full of people.
Look at this shit with these trees, man. God damn.
That dip.
At least this is like surrounded by dirt piled up high.
Look how the whole front end of the car. Oh my God, that's pretty. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, what's this?
What is this? Some rallycross.
This what this is? Rallycross?
I think so.
Yeah.
This is in Portugal.
Rallycross duel.
That's what it looked like.
This is in Portugal, right? Yeah.
I wonder. Oh, they probably do it so like they probably each get a turn on the other track, like each track.
Yeah. It's like a lead and follow type thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then if you do better on both, then you're obviously the better driver.
Yeah.
Much better driver.
Oh.
I said lead and follow instead of lead and chase.
It's a similar concept though.
Yeah.
Bro. Yo, just watching that is just wild to me.
I want to know. I want to see like what it look like on the inside. What they look like when they freaking land.
Yeah, we need
like that.
We need to look for. I need to look for some POVs. I need to look for some Raleigh POVs, bro.
Because it doesn't look like they land hard.
No, not at all.
Like
some of them look crazy, but yeah, a lot of them look very subtle and planet and smooth. Finch eat all of it. Look how the suspension just lifts up. Well, these, you think about drifting on dirt like this at these speeds is crazy.
You see the type of tires they be running on them shit stuff?
Big fat ones.
The tread on them looks crazy.
Whoever designed these tires are a bad motherfucker. They a bad member jammer, dog. Probably like all-terrain tires. Or some sort. Ooh.
No, it's definitely a special tire.
For sure. That can adapt.
Oh, goodness.
Bro.
That's wicked. On the side of a mountain like that, bro, with a cliff next to you, bro. It's crazy.
You can't even look at none of that stuff. That's a lot of people. Wow. That's the whole Daytona Mall. Oh, okay. Well, get me dirty with dirt. Okay. They got that camera in a good spot. Ain't get too dirty. I'm talking. Oh, they got. Oh my lord. They got camera views from every angle. People in the crowds and everything. They are not playing.
Three-wheeled in the back.
Bro. They are not in the back. They not playing.
Bro, the driver's side rear wheel was
in the air. Yeah. That weight shift. And the car probably felt so balanced.
Yeah, right? They probably don't even feel that shit.
Yeah, right. A slight ass weight shift. Slight. Yeah, we gotta watch the POV for sure. Oh. Look at that crowd.
Oh shit.
Bruh. Let's go. W's. Yeah, they both good drivers. He actually way older with his helmet off.